Hi guys, today we are going to do kulfi. So I am starting with heating the milk. This milk is little thinner. You can use full fat milk also, but I don't have right now. So I am using this normal milk. So I will boil it till it becomes little thicker. Now you can see I have taken 1 liter milk. It has been reduced to half liter and I have shifted to a smaller flame. It became thick also. Now I am going to add the milk powder into it. This is around 200 grams of milk powder and I have added little bit of kesar into it. So I will add this one and I will whisk it nicely and boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. You can see there's no lump into it and I have whisked it properly. I have added cardamom into that milk powder too. So now I am adding little bit of pistachio and almond. So I'll boil it for another 5 minutes and it's ready. We'll keep it to cool down a little bit and then we'll put into a mold. It's been 5 minutes and it is thick also. We'll switch off the gas and leave it for cool down and then we'll put into molds, kulfi molds. Here you can see I have filled into the molds. These are few kulfi molds and this one is ice cream mold. So I'll cover it. And then we'll put into the freezer. And we'll leave it till it's frozen. So here is our kulfi. One I have taken out, the other one I am going to take it. So I'll do one thing, I'll put in a little warm water so that it can come out easily. Or you can just keep it for 5 minutes, then you can take it out, it will come out. So it's going to look like this. Enjoy it. So this is our homemade kulfi. Hey guys, so here's our kulfi is ready. It's going to look like this. Enjoy and like it. Thank you for watching.